Harrell hair, Harrell, Hair. Okay. Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me. It's gonna be a chit chat get ready with me. I have so much to update you guys on, and I have a date. I'm literally supposed to I'm supposed to leave in 12 minutes. That's obviously not gonna happen. Honestly, 8:30 is the new 8, so okay, so first little Ulta haul. I picked up a couple things from the store today. I got this all-nighter setting spray that I've been trying to live without for the past couple weeks, and it's shown. It's really shown on my face that I've been going without it. I got these lashes. I usually like the Ardell Double Up Demi Wispies, but for whatever reason they didn't have them. That's annoying. And then I got a new Shape Tape concealer because mine is running out. So I've already done a little bit of foundation. Literally, I need to get rematched. Like, oh, that's embarrassing. You can see it so bad. Like, yeah, it's embarrassing. This is like my summer shade, so it's a lot tanner than my actual skin. Makeup only lasts for so long, and if I were to like throw this away, then I still have like a half bottle of this left. That's embarrassing, but it's okay. We're gonna make it match at the end. We're gonna blend it. Don't hate on me yet. Also, new nails, fresh new nails. Hot out the kitchen. So cute. I couldn't decide on the color, but I'm actually really happy with these. They wrap this stuff like there's something important in here. So first step is Shape Tape concealer. My under eye circles, like, they've never looked worse. I've worked, oh, that's really milky. Okay, but yeah, I've worked 24 hours this past weekend. It's Monday, by the way, and I've 100% worked 24 hours this weekend. Like, I did 2 12-hour shifts, and when I looked at my eye bags this morning, I was in shock. Like, it was just shocking. Like, they were so black and so dark. I didn't know what to say. Okay, so really quick life update. The reason why I didn't post twice last week is because I just started a new job. This is my 3rd job that I'm now working. I literally work so much, and it's actually so stressful sometimes, but then I understand that, like, if I didn't work so much, I would have to cut back on my life like a lot. There would be a lot of things I couldn't do. Like, I probably couldn't be getting my nails done all the time. I probably couldn't be shopping all the time. Like, there's just a lot of things that I'd have to cut back on if I didn't work so much. It like makes it worth it at the end of the day, but it is sometimes super stressful to always like be stressed about work, and like work in and of itself is a stressor too. So it's like, okay, I'm stressed that I have to go to work, and then I'm stressed at work. I literally cried three or four times, and it's okay. Here's the thing, people really aren't even mean. I just take everything so personally. Like, whenever I have to do something, if I don't do it right, or if I feel like I didn't do it up to the standard someone expected me to do it, I just feel so sick and so disgusted with myself, and I get down on myself so bad. Even though like I'm brand new and I'm not supposed to know how to do everything, like I just get so down and hard on myself about it, and I get into my own head about it. It just like frustrates me, and when I'm frustrated, I always cry. So yeah, I cried like 3 times at work the other day. Not a good look, but what can you do? This sounds like a weird idea. So there is something about me that bothers me, and I don't want to say it now just because I don't know if I even want to say it at all. I think when you have something about you that bothers you and then you mention it, I think it calls more attention to it. Sometimes it's a situation where it's like, oh, I wouldn't have noticed it before, but now that you pointed it out, yeah, I see that. So I kind of want to make a video like talking about my insecurities and just basically like explaining what's going on and explaining what I plan to do to like kind of get it taken care of. I've been saving up for it for a while, and now that I've like saved for a while, I finally have enough money to take care of it. So let me know if you guys would be interested in watching a video about me talking about what my insecurity is, kind of the process and just the mental game that I went through with it, and just the process of me fixing it. So I don't know, like I'm nervous because it's like, do I really want to put out like one of my biggest insecurities right now out on the internet? and talk about it. But if that's something you guys would be interested in watching, let me know. That would be really good content, and I try and keep it really just real, you know, like I try and keep it as real as I can on my channel. Let me know if that's something you guys would want to see. Literally, I wish I had like naturally thicker brows. Like they're not even that dark. Like for someone who has black hair, my brows should be a lot darker. Are these even? Like I swear. Does anyone know how to do those like really fancy like Instagram brows where it's like a fade? Because I need help. Like or has anyone gotten like microblading or a brow tint? Because I'd be interested in that. Like if it actually makes your eyebrows look really good first go round, I'd be into that. I'm thinking about getting glasses. My friend Katie has this really cute pair. They're like Ray-Bans and they're clear. I need to figure out from her what like size and style they are, and I also need to try them on. But they might only look cute on her. Like they might not even look cute on me. I'm also thinking about like Warby Parker glasses. The thing is like sometimes, especially in the spring, I hate wearing contacts. Do you guys think I'd be cute with glasses? Like yes, no, maybe. But the other thing is I have a really just like big head. Like my head is seriously so big, and it's bigger than the normal girl's head, and I just feel like the women's glasses like won't fit me. I definitely wanted to take a minute to talk about like content. So basically I have this thing where I will get really excited about videos. I literally like will sit down and write down all my ideas, and I'll have like probably like a 1 week span where all I want to do is film and edit, and then it'll be time to edit them, and I'll be watching the video, and just for whatever reason I'm just like not inspired by the idea anymore, and I'm like, this isn't good enough, like I don't like this. I literally think that sitting in front of a camera all day, ooh, this is really dark. Do I want to commit to this? Why did I do that? Wow. Basically I think that sitting in front of the camera all day, filming watching it back, and then editing, I think it does something to like your psyche. I think just watching myself back so many times just puts me in this brain or this mindset where I'm like always picking at myself. Like I don't want to do that anymore. I'm trying to get better about if I like an idea and if I'm inspired by it, that I should just follow through. I don't know. And then like once one video doesn't go the exact way that I expected it to, it like ruins me for all my other videos. I'm just like, now I don't want to film, now I don't want to edit. I just get so annoyed and in my head about it. It's literally gonna end up being the downfall of me if I don't chop that habit out like ASAP. I mean, obviously I want you guys to like my content, but the most important thing is that I like my content no matter what video I put out. Like whether I love this video and it's perfect or I think it's perfect, there's gonna be someone who's gonna hate it anyway, you know? So I'm just trying to be better about following through on my ideas and understanding my ideas are good ones and they are good videos. If I would just not get angry when one little thing goes wrong or I say something that wasn't perfect, then I think that could fix the problem. I mean, obviously there are certain things that just like can't be original, like get ready with me's. There's what, 5 billion get ready with me's on YouTube, which is fine because I like watching different people's get ready with me. I get to see how a different person who I like watching gets ready. Does that make sense? So like to me, it's not always the content. Sometimes it's more about the creator who's making the content. Do you guys want to see like basic videos like morning routine, like what's in my bag? Like I know, I guess it couldn't hurt to just like make them and just like kind of see how they do, but let me know if that would be something you guys are even interested in seeing. Let me just go to my bathroom and make sure this eyeshadow is blended. I was supposed to leave at 7. It's almost 8 and I need to get out of here. Okay, so I did a couple of last touches on my makeup and now I'm gonna do a lip. All right, so now I think my mascara dry. I'm gonna set my face. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. Okay, so now I'm going to pick out an outfit and I will show you guys what I wear. This is the outfit I decided on tonight, just like a black crop bralette, black high-waisted jeans that I wear all the time. They're thrifted, so I'm obsessed with them. And then this like jean jacket thing that I got from Forever 21, I think. Yeah, really cute. Oh yeah, I got it on sale at Forever 21. So this is what I'm wearing. Okay, so I'm fully ready. I just decided on these like tiny little, not that big earrings. I couldn't find any big ones that I like. Okay, viewfinder's looking cute. Viewfinder's looking cute. I'm gonna go ahead, get in the car and go. I'm literally like an hour and 20 minutes late, but it's fine. And I'm gonna vlog a little bit when I get there. So I will see you guys really soon.
Are we doing picture or are we doing?
No, it's video. We are at Bonton Crab Boil House.
I don't think there's anything on the end of it. I think it's just Bonton.
She forced me to go here. Just kidding. Just
On a
kidding. Just
Monday.
kidding. I dragged her here on a Monday. On a first date. Kind of nervous.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, I knew you wouldn't like it.
This is strong.
I know, I told you you wouldn't like it.
You know I don't do these types of Food just got here. We both got the same thing. Fried catfish with husk puppies and fries, hollandaise sauce and tartar sauce.
Remoulade sauce.
Oh. Wow, I'm so dumb. See ya. I cannot remember the last time I went this long without sleep. Like, I'm dying. I need to change into PJs. Tomorrow it's supposed to snow. I live on top of a huge hill in a really secluded area with a ton of trees. So whenever it snows, that means my driveway and the road that I live on is gonna be covered with black ice for probably the next like 4 to 5 days. Once you get snowed in my driveway, you cannot move your car until all of the ice is melted. I'm gonna change, I'm gonna get my car situated, and I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.